Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a flip through video and today's book is by Teresa Goodridge. This is a Creative Haven book called Country Charm, and I recently purchased this one and wanted to share it with you guys so you could see a flip through in case you're interested. This is of course by Dover Publications. They have that slightly nicer than Amazon paper, and their pages are, as always, perforated and bordered, which I like bordered. Thought this was quite a nice one for people that like outdoor scenes. Plenty of grass for you guys here. They're single-sided. I like these kind of ones, quite detailed, busy pages. She does have a really nice art style that I'm quickly becoming quite a fan of. Let's just relock that. There we go. I like that there's a mixture of indoor and outdoor. What I think about colouring paths at the minute. Do you go through that, like little stages of what you're enjoying colouring and just end up looking for them everywhere? I saw Corey from Colourfully Optimistic do this page and it turned out really pretty. And there is of course a couple of artworks on the inside covers. That is your back page, and that is Country Charm by Teresa Goodridge. Hope this helped guys. I'll see you in the next video.